Hey, this is Isaiah over here at realthread, your favorite screen printing and custom apparel shop, and it is the most wonderful time of the year. Yes, it is the holidays.
Freaking excited!
And you either might be in one or two buckets. Really planned and really excited, or maybe you're getting a little stressed out because you're not really planned on what gifts you're gonna get for your employees, team members, or customers. Well, let's go ahead and take the stress out of the holiday gifting because we got you covered. We're gonna share some items that you can get your customers, your team members, and your employees this year for the holidays. All right, so right in front of me, I have a few hand-selected amazing gift ideas that you could do for your team, your employees, or your customers. You know, starting with the Cotopaxi line, this is a fan favorite. You can get these in fanny packs or backpacks, but they come in a variety of different colors. It just looks really great. A nice embroidery would be absolutely amazing. Anybody who loves fun colors or the outdoors especially is going to absolutely love anything from Cotopaxi. Any of your if you'd like to do maybe a cooking gift, you can do something like this, a custom apron, cooking apron. A nice embroidery right here would look absolutely amazing.
It's true.
The next one is gonna be blankets. Like, who doesn't love to snuggle up in a good soft, super soft blanket, and you could throw your nice little free advertising, your brand on there. The same with these flags. Here's an example of one we did. You could do it in a few different colors. And the last one is, who doesn't love a good tote bag, right? Look at that. Just do a nice little tote bag for the holidays. Hey, and something to note, don't sweat the timeline. Our standard turnaround time is about 2 weeks, but if you do need it sooner, we can get things out the door within 5 business days with some of our rush order options.
Prepare ship for light speed.
No, light speed is too slow.
Light speed too slow?
Yes, we're gonna have to go right to ludicrous speed.
Also, something really special, if you need help getting your gift in the hands of your teammates or customers or your employees, just ask your account manager about our one-time fulfillment. They can definitely hook you up with that. All they're gonna need is your customer's name, your teammate's name, and their address. Plus, we can put a personal holiday note in there, or we can wrap your gift in your custom packaging. That will make it extra special. And if you're wanting to split up the order, well, no worries, we got you covered. We'll definitely take your order and ship it out in smaller shipments and send it to those offices. Now, we're really excited about these items. We know your team is gonna love them. And if you do have any questions about the items that I mentioned, turnaround time, fulfillment, reach out to your account manager. They're looking forward to helping you. Happy holidays. Take care.
'Tis the season to be merry.